Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1970 Chevelle SS 454 LS5, made in 1/2/18 scale by Lane Exact Detail. So if you like those American muscle cars, this video must be seen thoroughly. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell for news, and to leave your like at the end of it. So let's unbox it and take a better look at it. And here we have the 1970 Chevelle 454 LS5, which is a fantastic muscle car of the 1970s. I really appreciate this car a lot. And this model, which is made by Lane Exact Detail, has really a lot of quality. I would really recommend this car for every American muscle car collector. The first thing we see in this car is this very awesome front, which looks fantastic. I really like 1970 Chevelles. And this car has got this big block engine, and as we pop the hood open we can take a look at the engine bay, the engine and all components that are in here, and everything that's supposed to be in here is made with a very high quality. We can see that all those hoses, cables and wires are all flexible. This hose is flexible just like this one is made in rubber. So the materials are all correct. The coil induction in the hood, which operates here with its cable and mechanism. The hinges are not the pantographic hinges just like we find in Highway 61 or GMP, but still a very well made hinges. Hood latch is here. And as we close it, we see it closes correctly. We find a coil induction here, which is actually functional. So this is very nice. I really like this trim around the windshield, the dashboard, and the trim around the windows, the door handle, and the trim around the wheel wells, as well as the SS logo, which is made in a decal. This color is really awesome. So and it looks awesome in this car. The blinkers are cast in metal and painted on. The wheels and tires are fantastic. These are actually my favorite wheels of all times. And as we open the passenger door, we can take a look at the interior, which looks fantastic. We can see the dashboard, the automatic transmission, which has got the lever and the central console, and the seats, which are actually cushioned and tilt. The back seat is perfect. The carpet, door panels, the side panels, headliner, the courtesy light. So everything in this car is really perfect. The rear deck and the rear window. As we open the trunk, we can see the trunk mat, the spare tire with the wheel, which is very realistic. Trunk lid with the factory stickers, the hinges, the rear bumper and tail lights, the dual exhaust, license plate. So everything is really realistic. Chevelle logo, and opening the driver's door, 3-spoke steering wheel, the gauges, which are perfect, pedals, seat, central console, and one more look at the headliner, seat belts, and all stuff that's supposed to be in this car. The mirror, which is perfect, and last but not least, the bottom of the car, which Lane Exact Details makes with perfection. We can see coil springs and suspension, rear shocks, torsion bars, the rear axle, the drive shaft, which doesn't turn, mufflers, the gas tank. Even the mufflers, we can see that when the metal is all grooved in here, just like in a real car. So this detail is really perfect. It speaks for itself. This car is a body and chassis, so we can see the frame and the body itself. It's not a unibody. The engine and tranny, which are made in correct colors, steering mechanism, front suspension, pulleys, and all details that are supposed to be underneath the car. So I would say this car is really nice, and from 0 to 10 it really takes a strong 10. It doesn't have as many details as a Highway 61, but even so, it's got some more details High 61 sometimes doesn't have. So this is a very nice car to have in a diecast car collection, especially if you like those American muscle cars. And I would really advise to have this car in the 1/18 scale. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And as usual, thanks for watching.